evening to all. Welcome to Exam Tricks 99 YouTube channel. Welcome to Exam Tricks 99 YouTube channel. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பார்க்கும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பயாலஜி பார்க்குறோம். ஜெனரல் நாலேஜ் கொஸ்டினில் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி 1000, 2000, 3000 பார்த்தாச்சு. 3000 கொஸ்டின் பார்த்தாச்சு. ஹிஸ்ட்ரி, ஜியாகிரபி, இந்தியன் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி, ஜியாகிரபி, பாலிட்டி, இந்தியன் பாலிட்டி பார்த்தோம். ஃபிசிக்ஸ் பார்த்தோம், கெமிஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ பயாலஜி பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டினாக எடுத்திருக்கோம். எஸ்எஸ்சி, யூபிஎஸ்சி, ரயில்வே ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் போர்டு, என்டிபிசி எல்லா எக்ஸாம் தேவையான கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நிறையா எடுத்திருக்கேன். டிஎன்பிசி எக்ஸாம் தேவையான கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நிறையா எடுத்திருக்கேன். கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினையும் வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள். ரொம்ப ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எதுவுமே வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் இல்லை, எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் தான். இன்ஸ்டன்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சவர் ஏன்னா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் எல்லாமே. From which part of the plant is turmeric obtained பாங்க ஸ்டம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ இந்த கொஸ்டினில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மொத்தம் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி 4000, 5000 பார்த்துருக்கோம். இன்னும் 3000 இந்த கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது. எக்கனாமிக் கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது. ஒவ்வொரு இதுலேயுமே பாட்னி, பயாலஜி எல்லாத்துலேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக 300, 400 மேலே கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும். கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். டிஎன்பிசி, ஐபிபிஎஸ், ரிசர்வ் பேங்க் ஆஃப் இந்தியா, ரயில்வே ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட், என்டிபிசி, டிஎன்பிசி, யூபிஎஸ்சி, எஸ்எஸ்சி எக்ஸாமுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வீடியோ பிடிச்சது லைக் பண்ணுங்க.
Biology. System question answer 1. Which technique can be used to establish the paternity of a child? Quantitative analysis of DNA 2. By whom was gene first isolated? Hargobind Khurana 3. By whom was insulin discovered? Dr. F.G. Banting 4. From which part of the plant is turmeric obtained? Stem 5. Which cytoplasmic organelles are treated as prokaryotic cells within the eukaryotic cells? Glioxysms. 6 Archaeopteryx had which reptilian characters? Clawed wings, teeth on jaw, tail 7. By using which technique is DNA fingerprint done? Southern blotting 8. Which type of microorganism is most widely used in industries? Bacteria, microalgae and fungi. 9. Which term for natural vegetation is associated with Siberia? Taiga 10. For which snake is the diet mainly composed of their snakes? King cobra 11. What structure is common to both earthworm and cockroach? Ventral nerve cord 12. Which part of human brain is the regulating center for swallowing and vomiting? Medulla oblongata. 13. Which is used to know the development of fetus in uterus? Ultrasound 14. Which oil is used in the flotation method for the purification of ores? Pine oil 15. Who published the book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1859? Darwin 16. Which vitamin is generally excreted by humans in urine? Vitamin C 17. A person who lives exclusively on milk, egg and bread is likely to become a victim of which disease? Scurvy. 18. Which is known as graveyard of RBCs? Spleen 19. Which are the glands of the body which pour their secretions directly into the bloodstream? Endocrine glands. 20. A typical human rib cage consists of how many ribs? 24. 21. Which cell organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? Mitochondrium 22. Which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Leprosy 23. What is the first compound which is fixed during photosynthesis? Glucose 24. Which substance found in blood which helps in clotting? Fibrinogen 25. What is in a healthy person rate of heartbeat on 1 minute? 72 times 26. Myxedema is disorder produced due to hypersecretion of which gland? Thyroid. 27. What does protein deficiency in children usually between the age of 1 to 3 years cause? Kwashiorkor. 28. Which continent has the lowest birth and death rates? Europe. 29. Which disease is caused by bacteria and spread through fecal matter by houseflies? Typhoid. 30. What is a glass-sided tank, bowl in which aquatic animals live? Aquarium. Remove watermark 1-share PD filament. General studies. Biology. Cystic question answer 1. The word biodiversity is a combination of which two words? Biology and diversity. 2. All of the organisms living in a particular area, what do they make up? A biological community. 3. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Hydrophobia. 4. Wisdom teeth normally grow during the which age? 17 to 30 years. 5. Which disease is characterized by inflammation of the membranes covering the brain and spinal cord? Meningitis. 6. What is amnesia? Related to loss of memory. 7. What is the normal cholesterol level in human blood? 180 to 200 mg/8. What is syrinx? Voice box in birds. 9. Which modification of root does not store food? Stilt. 10. Which fungus is responsible for disease late blight of potato? Phytophthora infestans. 11. Which gland is both exo and endocrine gland? Pancreas. 12. Which state produces maximum soya bean? Madhya Pradesh. 13. Which blood vessel bringing blood into Bowman's capsule? Afferent arteriole. 14. Which causes the disease syphilis? Bacteria. 15. For which is the southern blot technique used for the detection? DNA. 16. What does not contain a hydrophobic structure? Rubber. 17. Which is the richest source of ascorbic acid? Guava. 18. Which worm reach into intestine of human by eating leaf? Tapeworm. 19. What is the most satisfactory method for separating sugars? Chromatography. 20. Alzheimer's disease in human beings is characterized by which degeneration? Degeneration of nerve cells. 21. Which of the following will provide maximum roughage to our diet, if taken in equal mass? Cabbage. 22. In which photosynthesis occurs? Chloroplast. 23. Which are the important species of the Mediterranean biome? Pine, cedar, fir. 24. What is the transfer of pollen grain from pollen sac to stigma called? Pollination. 25. Which branch of science deals with the study of tissue found in the body of organism? Histology. 26. Maximum nutritive element absorbed by blood from which part of alimentary canal? Small intestine. 27. Which genetic disease is sex-linked? Royal hemophilia. 28. Which cell organelles function as the powerhouse of a living cell? Mitochondria. 29. Transfer of genetic information from one generation to the other is accomplished by transfer of RNA. 30. Where do sweat glands occur in greatest number? In the skin of the armpits. Remove watermark 1-share PD filament. General studies. Biology. Cystic question answer 1. What is the total number of bones in human skull? 32. Which characteristic is common among parrot, platypus and kangaroo? Functional post-anal tail. 3. AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. What is this? Retrovirus. 4. Who wrote Species Plantarum and Systema Naturae? Linnaeus. 5. Medicine for high blood pressure is obtained from which species? Rauwolfia species. 6. When does a cell increase in volume? If the external medium is hypotonic. 7. Which plant yields biodiesel or biofuel? Jatropha curcas. 8. Which enzyme is found in human saliva? Tyalin. 9. Which vitamin is very liable and easily destroyed during cooking as well as storage? Vitamin C. 10. Which organ destroys worn out RBCs in the body of a vertebrate? Spleen. 11. Respiration can occur in the absence of oxygen in which thing? Yeast. 12. What is the selectively permeable membrane of the cell? Plasma lemma. 13. Which compound gives both ninhydrin test and Mollis's test? A protein. 14. Which is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom in respect of number of species? Arthropoda. 15. Which of the following carbohydrates is most abundant in nature? Cellulose. 16. Which is largest cell organelles? Plastid. 17. Which substance is more than 80% in the cell? Water. 18. In which organ of the human body are the lymphocyte cells formed? Spleen. 19. What is hepatitis B, which affects liver? Virus. 20. The saliva helps in the digestion of which thing? Starch. 21. Which organs are morphologically different but perform the same function? Analogous organs. 22. After respiration, the conversion of energy is mainly in which form of? ATP. 23. What is also known as green protozoa? Euglena. 24. Which have the largest share of deficit in Govt of India budget? Fiscal deficit. 25. In a living cell, what is the site of ribosome formation? Nucleolus. 26. What do both respiration and photosynthesis require? Cytochromes. 27. Which biologist proposed the theory of germplasm? Weizmann. 28. Which vitamin is transformed in golden rice? Vitamin A. 29. Which one of symbiotic algae is found in secretory cell of Hydra? Euchlorella. 30. Which animal is blind, extremely poor eyesight? Bat. Remove watermark 1 PD filament. General studies. Studies. Biology. Biology. Cystic question answer 1. Animal goes under wind. Winter sleep due to low temperature. What is called? Estivation. 2. Which organelles in the cell, other than nucleus, contains DNA? Mitochondria. 3. What is enfolding from the inner membrane of mitochondria called? Cristae. 4. Which is used
ஓகே, இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.